Best Off-Road Motorcycles 2025, KTM 350 XCF Factory Edition. As 2025 approaches, the KTM 350 XCF Factory Edition is making waves in the off-road motorcycle scene with its exceptional performance and cutting-edge technology. This highly anticipated model from KTM is engineered to deliver top-tier off-road capabilities, catering to both competitive racers and avid enthusiasts. Powerful and efficient engine. The KTM 350 XCF Factory Edition is powered by a 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, four-stroke engine known for its impressive power and efficiency. This engine delivers a balanced mix of horsepower and torque, providing riders with the performance needed to tackle various off-road challenges. The power delivery is smooth and responsive, allowing for precise control in demanding conditions. Race-ready suspension and handling. One of the standout features of the 350 XCF Factory Edition is its race-ready suspension system. It features high-quality, fully adjustable WP-zacked front forks and a WP-zacked rear shock. This setup ensures optimal handling and stability across rough terrain, absorbing impacts effectively and providing a comfortable ride. The bike's chassis is also designed for agility, allowing riders to navigate tight corners and obstacles with ease. Advanced technology and design. The 350 XCF Factory Edition incorporates advanced technology to enhance the riding experience. It includes an integrated mapping switch for adjusting engine performance on the fly, as well as a reliable traction control system. The bike's lightweight frame and ergonomic design contribute to its agility and rider comfort. The striking Factory Edition graphics and color scheme give the bike a distinctive and stylish appearance. Durability and reliability. Built with high-strength materials and attention to detail, the KTM 350 XCF Factory Edition is designed to withstand the rigors of off-road riding. Its robust construction ensures longevity and reliability, making it a dependable choice for challenging trails and competitive events. Conclusion. The KTM 350 XCF Factory Edition stands out in the 2025 off-road motorcycle lineup for its powerful engine, advanced suspension, and race-ready features. It offers a winning combination of performance, technology, and durability, making it a top choice for off-road enthusiasts and competitors alike.